Okay, ngayon naman po is single choice. Ito pong single choice natin is more like the multiple choice question type. Kaya lang po, in this kind of question or type of test, isa lang po ang probable. So we can set two to three or four options, but the student can only choose one. Single choice. Here, I've already developed the question. Is it multiple choice or multiple or single? That's the sample type test, and then we choose single choice. You can take answer required and randomize if you like. Good point. If you like, optional. And I set two probable answer, two options to this. Just add another save answer. And then now we have the option. So, kung ano po yung naka-tick na region button here is going to be the correct answer. The student answer letter A in the question, the student side, pag nasagot na nila, then the answer is correct. Otherwise, continue. Now let's check it to the student side. So this is my account student. Just copy the link to the test. Okay, this is the single choice. So we can see that there are already a lot of test questions here. So if I answer this letter A, this answer, of course, if you set the question to randomize, that is why the options are randomized. Baka second ang alalahanan ng bata is kung nasan yung radio check radio button. And they do that, like here in this question, they are going to memorize the arrangement of the answer. And they're going to from our test, set to be letter A at the top, then letter A here, submit the answer. It should be correct. So, option 1, one earned mark. So this is for and that is all for single choice. So again, in single choice, we use range button for a single option.